Devin. Brother's a little blinky. Devin. Devin. Let me see the check. Look at mommy. He's so blinky. You gonna grab it? You gonna grab the camera? You gonna grab the camera? What are you doing? Are we gonna go sledding today?
Snow.
Snow. We're gonna go sledding in the snow. Whoa, be careful. Brother's sitting right there. Silly goose. I don't think you're supposed to do that on his head. Say bye-bye.